In this video, I will show you how to turn off parental controls on Epic Games in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to the official Epic Games website, which is just epicgames.com. Once you come across to the website, you then want to sign into your account. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see the sign in option up here. So just go ahead and give that a click. And then you want to sign in with your account. Now you're logged into your account, what you want to do is again come up to the top right hand corner, and when you hover over your profile, you're going to get a drop down box, and what you want to do is click onto account. Next, what you want to do, you're going to come across to your settings page, and what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and if you look a bit down the menu, you're going to see an option called parental controls. So what you want to do is give that a click. And from here, it's going to ask you to provide the 6-digit PIN you created when the parental controls was set up. So if you don't remember that, or if you have forgotten it, what you can do is click on this link to say that says forgot your PIN. And what they're going to do is basically send an email, and that's going to have instructions on how to go ahead and reset your PIN. So if you need to do that, then go ahead. But if you do know your PIN, then you can just enter that in here like so. And then click the blue confirm button. So from here, what you can do is actually turn off your parental controls. So you can just come down and choose what you want to turn off. So for example, who your chat can be with, and you can come up to the top here as well. And you can see it says always require a PIN for purchase, which you can turn off if you want to. And all these are of course different parental controls that can be switched on and off from this page. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.